Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by making sure your watch runs the latest watch OS. Updates often add face options and toggles. Once updated, pick an analog face that supports a seconds hand like in Phograph or Utility, because not every face shows seconds. Next, open the Watch app face gallery on your iPhone or long press the current face on the watch to enter Customize mode so you can change the elements that control the second hand. Once in edit mode, navigate to the dial or complications section. Some faces show a direct show seconds toggle while others offer a second hand style choice. Make the selection solid, sweep, or tick because sweep style conserves perceived smoothness, while tick styles are more battery efficient. After choosing, press save or set the face on your watch. This transfers the configuration from your iPhone to the watch. Make sure the face is active so the second hand will display. Now check the watch face directly to confirm the second hand appears and moves. If it doesn't, make sure your watch isn't in power reserve, that reduce motion isn't disabling animations, and that both devices are updated. Once done, restart the watch and iPhone. If problems persist, remove the face and reapply it from the face gallery. As a final troubleshooting tip, unpairing and repairing rarely fixes persistent sync or animation issues, but try simpler resets first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.